Welcome to part 2 of my OmieLife unboxing. Let's start with the OmiePod set. The resealable packaging is very handy for future use. Simply twist your spoon and fork to easily remove them from the pod. Next we have the Omie snack container, which is wrapped in a film and a piece of card. The lid comes off nice and easily. It's got plenty of room inside. Moving on to the dip pots in their little cardboard box. I went for the lime and blue combination. The lids come off nice and easily, perfect for little hands. To see the OmieBox, join me for part 3.